Hello everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. In this video, we will be discussing about Creation Club content downloading issue after installing Fallout 4 Next Gen update. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us to create more similar videos. There are multiple reports from users on Reddit and X where users report that after installing the Fallout 4 Next Gen update, they are unable to download Creation Club content. As per the reports, it stuck at some point, and later nothing happened. Users are annoyed by this issue and cursing the developers. If you landed on this video, then you may be also facing the same issue, right? It's a cross-platform issue from the company side, so there's nothing gamers can do about it. We hope that developers will acknowledge the issue and fix it in the next patch. In the meantime, one user suggested that downloading each component of a pack separately helps in bypassing the downloading issue. But this is confirmed by other users as well. So you must give this solution a try and let us know in the comments if this worked or not. Apart from this, if you're aware of other workaround or solution that helps in fixing the issue, feel free to share in the comments for other affected users. For more updates on this issue, check the blog post in the description. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for getting notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.